Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. In this video, we are going to talk about the problem A of Kickstart Round H 2021, which is transform the string. So this is a common problem. Okay, so maybe you have seen this type of problem in Code Forces or CodeChef also. The problem is that there is a string S which denotes a padlock consisting of lowercase letters. You also have a string F consisting of set of favorite lowercase letters. So basically there is a string and you have to convert all the characters of that string to some favorite characters. You have some favorite characters and you have a string of some characters. So you have to convert the characters of that string to the favorite characters. Or means the particular S string contains only the favorite characters. And you also have a string F which denotes that how many favorite characters you have. Okay. Then you have to, and what you can do is that you can you can change one letter of the string to one following it or one preceding it. For example, A to Z, Z to E, A, like this you can see, because it is in a circular order. Fine. Okay, we will discuss it in the whiteboard also. Then you have to find the minimum number of operations required for each letter in S after applying the operation. Fine. So this is the problem actually. So fine. So first of all, move towards the whiteboard to understand the logic behind the problem. So the first thing which you have to you can say understand is this, that uh, for example, this is the particular character. This is A. Sorry, it is A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, up to Y, Z, then A. This is a circular order. So, for example, our favorite characters are B and E. For example, the string F is B, means we have two favorite characters. First is B and second is E. We have to convert all the other characters into B and E. Let's see. So we have to find the minimum number of operations required to convert one particular character to B or E. For example, we have to convert A into one of the favorite characters, then so we can convert A into B or we can convert A into E. So converting A into B requires less number of operations, means only one operation is required. So for A, the value is 1, means one number of operations required to convert it to B. For C, minimum number of operations required is also 1, because B is just before C. For D, it is 1, because we will not convert D to B, because converting D to B requires 2 operations. We will just convert D to E, means only one operation is required. For F, it is 1. For G, it is 2. For Z, it is only 1, because A is just after Z. So it requires only one operation. For A, it is 0. A, it is 0 only, because it is already, sorry. A, it is 1, because B is the favorite. For B, it is 0. And for E, it is 0, because they are already favorite characters. So we don't have to change them. These are so we have to basically find the minimum number of operations to convert a particular character or a particular char into the favorite character. So we have to find minimum number of operations of each and every character that are required to convert that character into one of the favorite character, which is nearest to it. This is what we have to find, and then we will count. We will add all the minimum number of steps, which characters are given in the final string S. हम लोग S में जितने characters उनको हम लोग add कर लेंगे. So for this, what we will do is, for this first of all we will use an unordered map. Unordered map. What the unordered map will do? It will basically store all the favorite characters. Means if map is M of char comma int, okay, so and for example we have taken that favorite characters are B and E. So for all other characters the value of map will be 0. For example, for A it will be 0, for C it will be 0, but for B it will be 1, like this. So but just we will use this map only to check that is a character favorite or not. Okay, then we will start alphabetical wise. First of all we will check for A. So if A is a favorite character, then only 0 steps are required. Because A is already a favorite, we don't have to change it. Okay, if A is not favorite character, then we will find the nearest favorite character, which is near to A. In this case, it is B. So we will just find a distance between B and A. And also, if B is nearest to, we will first of all we'll check for all the favorite characters. The second thing is that we can make A to B by two types of action. We can either increase A to B or we can decrease A 25 times. Then we can got B. Means अगर A को हम लोग A से Z जाए फिर Z से Y जाए then Y to X like this ऐसे करते करते हम लोग B में आ सकते हैं और we can directly move to A to B. Same for G. Same for G. If you have to make G to E, then we can make like G to F, then F to E. But we can also make like G to H to I to Z to A and then to E like this. Okay. So this particular requires only 2 operations, but this will require 24 operations. This is requiring only one operation, directly A to B. But this particular anti-clockwise requiring 25 operations. So maybe sometime when this particular means when approaching clockwise, it may take 13 or let's say 14 operations. It is taking 14 operations when we are going clockwise. But when we are going anti-clockwise, it will just take 12 operations. So it is more. For example, there is one more good character, which is favorite character, which is Z. So if we write here Z, so if we take that, yeah, and there is B is not a favorite. For example, B is not the favorite. Remove it. Now Z is the favorite. So for A, it requires 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 operations to become E. And how many operations required for Z? If we move clockwise, it will require 25 operations. But if we go anti-clockwise, it will just require one operation. So we will take just one. So to convert A to Z, it will just take one operation. So we will check for both the things, for anti-clockwise and for clockwise. And we have to take the minimum value. Fine. So basically, this is what we have to do here also. We will check for, first of all, anti-clockwise also, means for example, I and then 26 minus I, both the indices. And take the minimum of 2. Like this, we have to find this value, this particular minimum number stable for each and every character from A to Z, from A, B, C up to Z. And then we have to add the values of those characters which are in the string S. Okay, so let's take the example, the test case which is given to us. Okay, so the test case which is given to us is this one. This is simple. We have to take the complex one, which is this. Okay, so let's take I think this one. Okay, PQRST UU. Okay, yeah, copy this one. We will discuss this test case. Okay. If you have any doubt now also, you can comment it down. You can ask to me, okay, or you can join a Telegram. You can ask it there also. This is the particular test case, okay, which is PQRST and U and O. Okay, so if we find it is PQ, so we will find first of all we will find the minimum number of operations for each and every character. So just find for P, because there is PQRST. So for P, minimum number of operations are how many? Because there is P, then Q, R, S, T, then U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So if it like beside it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Means O, P, Q, R, C like this. This is the particular thing. Okay. We have to find the minimum operation required for P to convert into a favorite. So if we convert P to A, O, it will require just one operation, just from P to O. Or if we convert P to U, it will require more operations. So value is 1. For Q, the value will be, for converting Q to O, it requires 2 operations, but for U, it requires 1, 2, 3 operations, 4 operations. So it is again 2. For R, minimum number of operations are, for U it will take 1, 2, 3. For U also it will take 1, 2, 3. So it will 3 only. For S, if we convert S to O, then it will require 1, 2, 3, 4 operations. But if we convert S to U, it will require only 2 operations. Same for U, it will require just 1 operation. For T, directly T to U, only 1 operation. So if we add this all, it will be like 3 plus 3, 9. 9 is the answer of this particular test case. You can check it. Okay. So basically this is the logic behind the problem. 9 is the answer. Okay. So let's check the code part. So what I have done here is that I have first used the map to store how many which characters are favorite. Okay, then I have just did the thing that for each and every 26 characters I have checked that which character is more close to, more near to the particular character, and I have stored the value of the minimum number in a vector ch. And then for each and every character of s I have added the value of ch. Okay, this is the basically logic of this problem. It is passed for all the test cases. Okay, so I hope you understand. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. If you have any doubt, you can comment it down, or you can join a telegram. Subscribe channel for content and for code courses and courses solutions. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.